showing some strength. But as promised, let's talk about the mid-caps, the top movers in today's trade. Hormaz joins in.
Yeah, indeed. After the clean sciences drama that took place in the first hour of trade, there are a lot of other movers that are moving around in the broader markets, news flow and otherwise. Jupiter Wagons, of course, the wheel sets order that it won last evening has taken the stock 10% higher, the biggest single day gain since January of this year. At one point was up even 12-13%. Now it is back to its 50-day moving average of 361. Just a few minutes earlier, it was trading at its 100 DMA, which was at 371. So these are the two main levels that you need to track on the stock. 2.5 crore shares having changed hands already in the first couple of hours of trade compared to a 20-day average of just close to 3.5 lakh shares. And despite this move, the stock, in line with most of the other railway-linked names, is down 25% so far this year. The other major mover today has been Zinka Logistics. It's the fourth straight day of gains for the stock, and it listed last year towards the end of 2024, and August has turned out to be the best month the stock has had since listing, with gains of over 30%. And mind you, it was a subdued subscription that the IPO had received. It was subscribed only 1.9 times. In fact, the non-institutional portion was not even fully subscribed. In fact, it was not even subscribed by a quarter. But despite this subdued response to the IPO, the stock is up 130% from its IPO price of 273. Insurance stocks are moving around today. New India Assurance is one such name, and this 5.5% surge is only the 8th instance in the last 5 weeks that the stock is trading with gains. There's had already more than 1 crore shares change hands compared to a 20-day average of around 35 lakh shares, and courtesy of this move today, the stock has turned positive on a year-to-date basis. And lastly, Venkys India, another name that has sprung up on the list of gainers today, is the fourth straight day of gains for the stock, now 14% higher as we speak, and it has gained only in the last 5 sessions in the last 5 weeks before this 4-day gaining streak that it had had. It has had already a lakh and a half shares that have changed hands compared to a 20-day average of just 7,000. And despite this move that we have seen this month, the stock is still down 17% on a year-to-date basis, Rima.
Thank you very much for that. Let's talk about